Hello PVHS geometry students. Today we're going to copy a segment and bisect a segment. So let's go to geogebra.org and sign in. Okay, we want to sign in. Only use the Google icon. Okay, here we are. Want to create a new project. So we're going to go to new and start GeoGebra. On the side here, it tells us which screens we want. We want the geometry screen. Geometry screen. We don't need the calculator for this construction. We're going to copy a line segment. Before we do that, we're going to go to our main menu. We're going to go down to options and we're going to choose labeling. We're going to label all new objects. Let's just check to see if that worked. All new objects, yes. So we can click anywhere in the white space and we'll be free. Let's go to the third menu, which is our line menu, and choose a segment so that we can copy. Let's choose a segment with given length so we can show that they're the same. So we'll click anywhere in the white space above because we need room for the other part of the construction. Point A, and the length we'll just say it's 12.5 and press OK. So we have a line, notice the lowercase label F, line F, that is 12.5 units long. It has two endpoints, A and B. Okay. Now let's go to the compass menu and we're going to select compass. We're going to select point A and B. Oh, I'm sorry, we have one step before that. We have to go to the line menu. Let's go to the line menu and we're going to create a line. We're going to create a line at an angle. So let's choose somewhere in the lower part of the screen and we'll choose part over here. We're using at an angle so that we can truly see that these distances are the same no matter what angle, no matter what position the line or line segments are in. Now let's go to our compass menu. We're going to go to the compass menu, circle menu, select the compass tool. We're going to click on point A and then we're going to click on point B, and we have a circle with center radius the size of the line segment AB. If you want to, you can zoom in a little so that you can see the circle a little better. So I'm zooming in a little so I can see the circle better. So now I have a circle with radius AB. I'm going to put it at point C. Notice that we have this intersection here. Going to our point menu, intersect tool. We're going to choose point C. The intersect tool. We're going to choose the circle C, little small c, and it's going to end the line segment. And we have two E and F. Okay, so I selected the circle and then I selected the line segment, and I have two intersections. We just need one. Okay, so now let's measure the distance between point A and point B and point C and point F by using our measure tool. So here's a measurement menu. We go to distance or length. Notice down below it tells us what to do. We're going to select 2 points, point A, point B, and we said it was 12.5, and it truly is 12.5. We're going to select point C and point F, and it is truly 12.5. So we have copied this line segment from line segment AB to line segment CF. Okay, now let's save. So we're going to go to our main menu. We're going to click File, Save. we're going to save this as segment copy. Okay, save it as public and press save. Okay, so now we're going to bisect a segment. So let's go back to the main menu and we're going to go new. Let's save segment copy, have patience, and we're going to have a it should bring us up a completely new screen. So I said save successfully, so I'm having a little issue here, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it again. So go ahead and save. I make sure I have the GeoGebra sign, public segment copy, and press save. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the file, new, and I'm going to choose geometry. Okay, so here we are. Okay, now let's do the segment bisector. Go to your line tool because we need a segment to bisect. So let's go to the line tool, line menu, go to the segment tool, and we're going to create a segment that's not so large because we want to be able to see the circles that we're going to create. Let's just create it in the middle of the sheet, in the page, or the worksheet, electronic worksheet. Okay, we notice that we have no labels here, so I'm going to undo this and I'm going to go to the main menu and I'm going to go down to options and I'm going to go to labeling and I'm going to say all new objects. I wish we could make that the default, but it doesn't seem like we can now. So click anywhere in the white space and now let's create a segment that is hopefully labeled point A and point B. Let's go to our move menu and let's move this segment, line segment at AB. Notice that the A is capitalized, the B is capitalized for the endpoints, and the line segment we name A, line segment AB. Okay. Now let's go to our compass menu, our circle menu, compass tool. We're going to click on point A and we're going to, oops, another mistake. Okay, let's put this circle at point A and let's undo. Sorry. Okay, we need to create a circle with center. Okay, circle with center through point. So now let's go to point A and drag. Now we don't want to drag it in exactly in the middle. We want to find the middle. We want to drag it so it's like two-thirds of the way, and click. Okay, so now we have a circle with the radius that's more than half of the line segment. It's clearly more than half the line segment. Now let's use our compass tool, circle menu, compass tool. We're going to select point A and select the new intersection point C. We have a circle with the radius of AC. It's exactly the same size. Place that at point B. Notice that we have the football shape or the fish shape if we had a little tail, but most importantly we have two intersection points that we want to create. So let's go to point menu, down to the intersect tool. We're going to touch the first circle and make sure it's highlighted, touch the second circle, make sure it's highlighted, and we have two intersection points here. Now let's create a line through them, bisecting or cutting this line in half, exactly in half. Okay, go to the line menu. We're going to choose line tool, select D, select point E, and we have a line that bisects line segment AB. But let's prove it. Go to the intersect. Let's go to the point menu again, the intersect tool, click on the line segment AB, click on line DE, and we have intersection point F. Go to our measurement tool, measurement menu, go down to distance or length, tells you what to do down here. Let's choose select point A, select point F, that's 4.74. Let's select point B and point F, 4.74. So we have truly bisected or cut in half this line segment, exactly in half. Okay, let's save this. We're going to save this. Go File, Save. We're going to save this as segment bisector. Segment bisector. Okay, we're going to always save it as public, and we're going to save. Okay, thank you for paying attention, PBHS students, and we'll see you next time. Okay, thank you again. Bye bye.